Welcome to Zenscale. In this video, we will walk you through the interchange material many to one process. Start by clicking on Interchange Material Many to One. Select the posting date. Choose the From material. And add a consumed quantity for the material. Select the material to be produced. Choose the location. And add a produce quantity. Don't forget to include a description. Save it. To view the interchange material, many to one, print. Click Print. Select the desired date for the invoice and search. And there you have it. You've successfully completed the interchange material many to one process. Thanks for watching.